Chiliz cost most certainly equivalent to $0.1076 a coin. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.1061 0.1081, or so they especially thought. The earlier day close, 0.1070, which generally is very huge. The change fundamentally was plus 0.0006, plus 0.56%, which most certainly is very huge. Converse rate, USD to CHZ in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $0.11. Fundamentally greatest 0.12, least 0.10, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.11, especially most extreme 0.12, lovely least 0.10, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.11, lovely most extreme 0.12, by and large least 0.10, which for the most part is very critical. Chiliz figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.11, beautiful greatest 0.12, most certainly least 0.10, or so they especially thought. In multi-week Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $0.11, essentially most extreme 0.12, by and large least 0.10, or so they really thought. Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 29, cost $0.11, really greatest 0.12, sort of least 0.10 in an extremely huge manner. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.11, by and large greatest 0.12, especially least 0.10 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.11, sort of most extreme 0.12, certainly least 0.10 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.11, really most extreme 0.12, truly least 0.10. In about 14 days Chiliz gauge on Friday, June 2, cost $0.11, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.12, truly least 0.10, so by and large reverse rate, USD to CHZ, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $0.10, most certainly greatest 0.11, exceptionally least 0.09, or so they truly thought. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.10, most extreme 0.11, in every way that really matters, least 0.09, or so they especially thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.10, especially most extreme 0.11, all things considered, least 0.09 in a very large way. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.10, sort of most extreme 0.11, essentially least 0.09 in a kind of enormous manner. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $0.10, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.11, beautiful least 0.09, or so they sort of thought. Chiliz gauge on Monday, June 12, cost $0.10, extremely greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09, which basically is very huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.10, all things considered, greatest 0.11, sort of least 0.09, which basically is very huge. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.10, genuinely greatest 0.11, lovely least 0.09, or so they really thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.10, truly greatest 0.11, truly least 0.09 and in every practical sense, enormous way. In about a month Chiliz conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost $0.10, kind of greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $0.10, truly most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09 and in every practical sense, significant way. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.10, really greatest 0.11, lovely least 0.09 in an especially significant way. USD to CHZ swapping scale really equivalent to 9.2937 coins per $1. Further appearance how Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.11, greatest 0.12, lovely least 0.10, which for the most part is very huge. Today, S reach 9.2507 minus 9.4251 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 9.3458 in a genuinely significant way. Change for now 0.0521, 0.56% in an unpretentious way. USD to CHZ cost gauge for in the not-so-distant future and month, which truly is very critical. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 22, cost 9.091 coins, greatest 10.000, exceptionally least 8.333 in an especially huge way. USD to CHZ expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 9.091 coins, kind of greatest 10.000, all things considered, least 8.333 in a for the most part large manner. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost 9.091 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 10.000, in every practical sense, least 8.333, or so they especially thought. USD to CHZ expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 9.091 coins, sort of most extreme 10.000, beautiful least 8.333, showing how Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost $0.10, especially greatest 0.11, exceptionally least 0.09 incredibly. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 26, cost 9.091 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 10.000, least 8.333, or so they especially thought. USD to CHZ expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 9.091 coins, most extreme 10.000, least 8.333 in an all things considered, significant way. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost 9.091 coins, extremely greatest 10.000, least 8.333 in an unpretentious way. USD to CHZ forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost 9.091 coins, by and large most extreme 10.000, especially least 8.333, which especially is very huge. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost 9.091 coins, beautiful greatest 10.000, lovely least 8.333, which certainly is very critical. In about 14 days USD to CHZ expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 9.091 coins, really greatest 10.000, fundamentally least 8.333. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Monday, June 5, cost 10.000 coins, exceptionally greatest 11.111, truly least 9.091, showing that Chiliz conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost $0.10, fundamentally most extreme 0.11, certainly least 0.09, which truly is genuinely critical. USD to CHZ expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 10.000 coins, especially greatest 11.111, kind of least 9.091. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 10.000 coins, truly greatest 11.